Hi there, this is Darren from Treasure Life Family Farms. We are on day 8 or film clip number 8 of building our Yoder hoop house. Let me get you an update on how far we got so far. All right, so here's a good look at it. We just got rained out, I don't know, a couple hours ago. It didn't rain hard ever, but you know, more than we'd want to stand out here working on this thing in the rain. So we went inside, and our progress is we've got all the bows up now, 25 of them. We've got all of these angle brackets pointing the right way. I know we had a few left we needed to switch. That's pretty fun. We've got the wind bracing on the other end now that all the bows are up. We're working on our trench here. There was a day when we dug that trench and filled it full of gravel, because that other hoop house down there was going to be able to roll on some of the caster wheels, and so the track would be on top of the gravel, not sink into the mud, and yeah, we never did that. So that gravel track happens to be in the middle of this hoop house, so we're going to clean the gravel out and put the dirt in there, and that way we'll just have nice dirt in this hoop house, in the new one. And here's the hip boards. That's where the plastic is going to come in. It's going to wiggle wire and lock into this top rail. The bottom one doesn't get used for anything. I was kind of surprised by that, but it mostly doesn't, until, I don't know, a year or two down the road, for whatever reason your side curtains are wore out. Then you can cut them off, leave the main plastic, and put new side curtains on. So we've pretty well got this channel screwed on here for one side. We got the other one, that's where we get rained out. What I've been doing is following the Yoder manual on most of them. You put a screw on one side, kitty corner on the other side, one in the pipe. The bracket on this side looks like that. But I didn't really see what to do when you get to a seam. So this is what we did. Hopefully it's good. Let's put a screw in each top and bottom. Same brackets on the back. And the seam is right here. Hopefully that's the right thing. So we've got that done on one side, we're going to do it on the other side, and then we've got baseboards on. It'd be fantastic to get all that done today, but we're still working on that, and you'll see that progress on the next video at some point, because I wanted to get this one before it gets dark. What's going to happen is we're going to get back out here and get to work, and then when we finally call it quits, it'll be too dark to get any updates, so that kind of stuff will go on the next one. That is, I guess, our update for this time. We're making good progress, I think. We'll get the, like I say, the rest of the hip board on this side, and then the baseboards all the way around, and we'll be back. Thanks for watching. One more thing before I let you go. I got the drone out and had some fun flying around the hoop house, so I'll put that footage on the end of here. It's kind of neat seeing how that thing goes. Maybe you can see what my mad drone skills are. So stay tuned for that. I'll put it on the back side of the video here.